welcome to Mama Super Kids. So let's start the video. Where is Mama? I have replaced her and we're going to do 5 science activities. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. And Jog is going to do it. Ready? Yeah. Come on.
2.
Oh, I think so. 5. No. Okay, let's high five.
Yeah.
Okay, let's high five. And do you want to high five now? Okay, let's start. So, we're going to do the game Leak Proof That. It's so cool. And when you see the end, it's surprising. So, let's do the video. Okay.
Good job.
Now do this turn. Right, cross. What? Do you do this? Yeah. Whoa! I got it! Leaking! I got the pin! It's not leaking. The next experiment is water and oil experiment. Oil, water, 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 water. Wow. And this time, bubbly. Bubble. No, which one is leaking? I'm leaking. Do you see balls? Yeah. Oh! Look at them. So perfect. Oh, inside. What? Is it green?
So Sudiksha, what you learned from this experiment?
That oil and water don't mix together because oil molecules only attract to other oil molecules, and water molecules only attracted to other water molecules. So, oil and water don't mix together. The next experiment is magic milk experiment. So, let's start. What? What? Wow! Wow! It looks like a coffee. Papa, did you see? It looks like a coffee.
So Sudiksha, what you learned from this experiment?
I learned that milk has fat, protein, and minerals. So when the dish soap enters, the fat breaks up. Next experiment is rainbow Skittles. So let's start. So next I'm going to arrange these Skittles and M&M's. Right. What? It's rainbow. It's rainbow. Look at the hole. Don't make. Don't know. You do by yourself, whatever. Wow. Look at white. Look at white. It is all so floating. Look, M. Did you saw M?
So Sudiksha,
Glowing.
what you learned from this?
That Skittles are covered with sugar and food coloring. When the Skittles goes in warm water, the sugar and the food coloring dissolves, and it flows like a windy. And it, even if you shake a little, there would be M's or S, whatever letters. But if you see, do you see that M's are floating? They're like, if you see, the M's are skin. Now you know about Skittles. How are Skittles made? They're made of sugar. Then in the sugar they put some food coloring. Then they put a layer of M because it's like floats like of this M&M's or Skittles like this. No, like this. No, like this. Not backwards. Like this. Okay, yes, that goes like. What experiment are you going to do? Dancing. What do you have? Dancing raisins. Are you excited? Let's go. Yeah. Okay, now first we need to add this. Okay, this is Eno. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow! It crashed. Wow. Fast. It like blasted. Did you saw, Mama? Wow! Whoa! It like blasted. It got up. It got up. I'm going to slowly do it. It got up. It got up. Let's see mine. It got up. Look, it was dancing. What? Is it up? Mine is dancing too. It's up. It's upping. Look at mine is dancing too. Look, mine is dancing. I love this. There's so much. Yeah. But look, it was dancing. Look at mine. This is staying. What? It's up and down. Up and down. Other one stay. Why does one stay? That's the question. What? Look at this one is staying. This one is too. No, it looks like a now it's going up. Look at closely. This one is still staying. Why does it stay? Whoa! Look at it's flopping up. Yeah. This one flopping. So I know what. When soda releases a gas, it comes out. And if you look, it's coming up. The soda is releasing gas. This is why it's coming up. Let's wait. Yours is coming up. Good. Let's see which one. Dance. We are the dancing race. Go down. Down. But we are not like a dancing race. We are a real dancing race. Down. Up. Hope so you enjoyed the experiments we did. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to Mama Super Kids. And bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did I say that? This is good.